Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Make a love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your teacher, Marife Adonis, of Marife Adonis Math and everything. Okay, so today our lesson is simplifying rational expression. Okay, simplifying means a rational expression means writing it in the lowest terms or simplest form. So to do this, we need to use the fundamental principle of rational expressions. If P, Q, and R are polynomials and Q and R are not zero. PR over QR is equals to P over Q. All right, so in simplifying a rational expression, first, completely factor the numerator and denominator. Second, apply the fundamental principle of rational expressions to eliminate common factors in the numerator and denominator. Warning, only common factors can be eliminated from the numerator and denominator. Make sure any expressions you eliminate is a factor. Now, let's simplify this expression, the following expression. So, let's try this one. So, we have here 7x plus 35 over x squared plus 5x. Now, in the numerator, the common is 7. So, 7 divided by 7x is 5, or x, and 35 divided by 7 equals 5. Then, for x squared plus 5x, the common is x. So, x squared divided by x is x, and then 5x divided by x is 5. So, let's cancel this out. Okay, so that's why we got 7 over x as our final answer. Let's try the second equation. Simplify the following expression. Now, first factor out muna, no? So, x squared plus 3x minus 4. So, how are we going to factor this out? So, we have the factors, the first and second na kailangan natin factor. So, you know that the factors of x squared is x and x. Okay? X and x. Two x's. For negative 4, we have positive and negative. So negative 4 because 4 times 1 or 4 equals negative 4. And if we're going to add 4 plus negative 1, that is 3. So we get this one. Then for x squared minus x minus 20, we have x minus 5 times x minus 4. So the factors of 20 is 5 and 4. So since this is negative, the highest number should be negative. That's why negative 5. Okay. So negative 5 and 4. So let's cancel this out. Okay, what remain is the x minus 1 and x minus 5. So this is our final answer. Madali lang naman ito. Basta, all we have to do is understand, no? Just go to the process. Now, simplify the following expressions like this one, 7 minus y over y minus 7. So, napansin nyo, magkabaliktad yung pwesto nung 7 and y. So, all you have to do is multiply it by negative 1 para pwede natin baliktarin. O, no? So, 1 minus y, uh, negative 1 times y minus 7. So, pag pinarehas mo siya sa baba, kailangan multiply mo siya sa negative 1. So, we have y minus 7. So, cancel this out. What remain is negative 1. Okay, negative 1. Now, let's try to these examples here. Now, for numbers, okay, so let's number this as number 1, and this is number 2. Okay, for number 1 here, 27, since 27 yan, wala tayong factor. So for 27x plus 18, the common is 9, no? So 9, okay, 9x, 27x divided by 9 is 3. 3x. plus 18 divided by 9 is 2. Now, pero yung 27 pwede pa yan. So we got a 9 times 3 over 9 over 9 times 3x 3x plus 2. So let's cancel 9. That's why the final answer is 3 over 3x plus 2. Okay, ito po yung final answer. Okay, next, let's try number 2. Now, let's factor this out. 7. So we need to close and open parenthesis here. So for b, we know for v squared, we have v and another v. Now, what are the factors of 31? So if we're going to get the factors of 31, of 30, I mean, that would be 6 and 5. So what shall we do? What other factors of 30 that give us negative 7? Okay, let's try to find the factors of 30. Okay, for 30, we got 15 times 2 or negative 15 times 2. We got also negative 6 times negative or times 5. That's 30 or negative 30. But remember our middle is 7. So what shall we do now? Because if we're going to subtract 15 and 2, that's 17, not 7. If we're going to subtract negative 6 and 5, that's negative 1, not 7. Okay, so what shall we do now? Another factors of 30, if you can think anything. 30 is 6 and 5. Okay, try natin ang uh 17. What's the other factors of 30? So hard to think, but we can do that. Kung ito try natin na negative cannot be factors ng 30, nakapisado ko lang ay 5, 30, 15, 20, 15, 2. 30 and 1, hindi rin pwede, no? Because 30 minus 1 is 29, not 7, so big. Hard. What do you think? If we're going to use this one, no, so because it's only negative 1, that's why it's negative 1, not 7. So I think something is wrong with the with the center. Okay, if we cannot if we cannot factor this out, just say it is a prime, huh? It is prime. That means you cannot find the factor. Okay, as you can see, the second term, the one at the back, we have here b squared minus 5b minus 24. And the factors of 24 is 6 and 4, 8 and 3. Okay, so perhaps maybe ito meron. Now we can ano 8 minus 3 is 5, so it's negative 5. We can get it, but here it's impossible for the first. Okay, next let's try the other one. Okay, let's do this number 3. So for number 3, we got factors of 12 are 6 and 2, no? So that we can get the exact number. Both are positive, plus 6, then x plus 2. Because if we are going to add 2 and 6, that's 8. Okay, that's 8. And then you multiply, we get 12. So that's correct. No? It also always coincides with the middle term. Now for the number, our denominator, we got x. We can use x plus 3 and no, plus 6. Okay, because our 3 here are positive, and another x minus 6. Oh, sorry, it's 6 minus 3. That's 6. 3. Okay, then cancel this out. We have x plus 6 minus x minus 3. So this is the final answer. Okay, you can try this, no, number 4. No, anyway, I will discuss this for you. But it's better to start now. Then we can have also this one. Okay. And for your journal writing, explain in your own words. So rational thoughts never drive people's creativity the way emotions do. That's from Neil deGrasse Tyson from Brainy Quit. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Love you all.